Alright, Mike.
Alright, Joe. Hey, did you know? It's been 25 years since Larkin pegged it.
Larkin who?
Do you mean Larkin who? Philip Larkin, the poet. They fuck you up, your mum and dad.
Oh, yeah. I know. Just heard about it on the radio.
25 years. It's sad.
To be honest, I never really liked him. Always whinging about death and dying. And have you read his letters? Hilarious! A right-wing bigoted misogynist who loved his porn and getting pissed.
So you've heard of him then, you fool?
Of course I have. We did him at school. Or bar. The building. Show. Saturday. And that one where he's wanking at 3:10. What's its name?
Love Again.
Who does?
It was called Love Again.
Of course it was. I bet he was always having a bash. I heard he kept a stash of jazz mags in his cupboard at his gaff.
Bollocks! He was a librarian!
Yeah, he'll shagged half his staff.
Nah, you've got that wrong.
It's true. I read it.
That's bullshit. Anyway, I've read his letters. They're not that bad.
You what? Did you know he had a Nazi for a dad?
He wasn't a Nazi! Just because they had holidays in Germany. Listen, mate, you're taking the piss. The guy was a genius. Annus Mirabilis. The card players. And I'll leave the room if you can show me a poem more moving than an Arundel tomb.
Look, all I'm saying is, as a person, he left a lot to be desired. And fair enough, some of his work deserves to be admired. But he was still a twat. You can't deny that.
There's been a lot of stuff written, and there's been a lot of stuff said. And you can't defend yourself when you're dead. Personally, I couldn't give a shit about his private life, his lack of faith, his lack of wife. Maybe that's how he was able to write. He had fuck all else to do on a night.
Yeah, bang at it. In his stupid Eric Morecambe glasses. He hated the working classes, you know. And he never liked Hull.
Well, that's doubtful. But even if it's true, it's not the place's fault. Should the town turn dreary? The girl, a doll.
What are you on about?
Now, hey, listen. Do you fancy going for a...
Why not? I don't know. All this fuss over a dead poet. Tell you what, I'll get us a bottle of claret. Yeah. We should celebrate him properly. Come on, it's on me.
Do you think we should?
Yeah. The Larkin Society would. Come on, there's an offie down the road.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sir Philip Larkin,
the old toad.